Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating two spreads, my wellness planner and my meal planner. I'm gonna start with my wellness planner this time. I usually do my meal first, but today we're gonna swap it. So as you can see, I have a printed image. This is a canvas image from Etsy that I found. It is beautiful. It is extremely large though, so it took a little bit to like download and shrink it and do all of that. Anyway, this was the cutest like little vegetable houses I've seen, and I couldn't help myself but to go ahead and print them. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this one. It is going to be quite different. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you found me. So these are not even cut because my Cricut will not take these images. That's how large they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut them by hand, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of put this in on my page. I printed multiple sizes to kind of see how that will go, but I thought that was so cute, like this little white house with the green little I think this is sweet pea. And between the flowers and the color, I think this is sweet pea. Anyway, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my page. So it is going to kind of obscure my Thursday medicine and so on, so I might have to do that in a note section, but you know what, for such a cute image, I really don't care. I'm gonna do it. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna add all of these dots that I need for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then I track medicine, mood, sleep, and steps, or movement, or workouts, whatever I do that day. So I'm just making more dots. I'm gonna go ahead and make them in the notes section as well. Like I said, that is for Thursday. Anyway, so let's go ahead and label this. And then breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, and then like I said, meds, mood, sleep, and steps. And now let's add a lot more decoration because that's what makes me happy, even though this is like already so cute just with that one image. But I have so many other veggie houses, and we're gonna go ahead and add them because why not, right? Look at that one. I don't even know what it is. I think it's lettuce. It just makes me so happy. Look at this cauliflower. Like, these are adorable. We have a bell pepper and a cucumber and a broccoli. Like, these houses were so adorable. So let me know what you guys think. I know I've been doing like so many different weird little things lately, and I don't know if you guys like it or not, but I know it's been different. It's been weird. I get it. Thanks for sticking around and doing this with me because, like I said, I know it's been kind of bizarre. I've done that kid spread. I kind of love it. Actually love it a lot. And then I've done this now, so I know, a little different, a little quirky, but bear with me. I am looking for like a full style for myself. I kind of got bored of what I was doing before, and I'm like on an exploration for myself here. So we're gonna add these little houses. Look how cute. So I'm gonna remove this washi tape. And yes, I keep using the same washi tape. I really don't like this one for some reason. So I've been using it to like tape up pages. So if you see the same one over and over again, this is why. Okay, but this part is pretty much done. I'm just gonna cut this and then punch through the little knobs for it to go back into my planner. And then we're gonna go ahead and go into my meal planner and create that spread. That one should be quite simple as I am doing extremely detailed meal plans. I'm trying to increase my protein intake. It is so hard for me to keep my protein intake for some reason. If you guys struggle with the same thing, let me know. If you guys have any tricks or tips, I am not a huge fan of like sweet protein powders or anything like that. I'm not sure what it is, but just absolutely disgusts me when I take them. So I've been trying to do like cottage cheese and eggs and stuff like that, and add beans and lots of meat, but I'm not a huge meat eater, so it's been pretty difficult. Okay, so spread number 2. Oh, and if I forgot to say, it is for August 19th through the 25th, both of them. Okay, and I wanted to use this book that has like harvest in it. It's called The Song of Time. It is from Easter Case. It has like almost like fallish elements, but also has like a farm, a harvest, like all of these elements that I wanted to use. I like to change up my stickers quite a bit, and I don't usually stick with one theme for a month or anything like that. It kind of like whatever flows, you know? So if you guys do something special, like sticking with a theme for a month or a color or something like that, let me know. I'm very interested to see if like you're able to stick to it. How hard is it? I'm not, like I said, I'm kind of like gone with the wind, and I use the stickers that inspire me and speak to me for some reason. So look at this, like this huge farm with all of these like really end of summer harvest images is what speaks to me this time. I know that my grandparents had a farm, and end of August was very much a harvest time, and you were picking up so many like veggies and fruits and hay and stuff. Like September and August were it. And it was a pretty interesting time in a child's life to grow up like that and be able to see where your food comes from. I'm not sure how many of you were fortunate enough to experience something like that, but like I said, I consider myself extremely, extremely fortunate to be able to like understand where the food comes from and how it grows and the amount of work that goes into it. I just really value my nutrition. So it's kind of fun to be able to see all of that. I'm going to go ahead and plop a train right in the middle because why not, right? Like, train comes to the countryside too, I guess, I think, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's go ahead and add one more thing to the edge. It can't be too big, right? Because it has to fit. So I want to see what I can add. Actually, both of the edges. But look at these flowers. They look like cinnamon, like beautiful flowers. And I know it looks like fall almost, but it is summer. Like this is summer on the farm, you guys. So I'm gonna add this little, maybe a truck. Like what can I add here? Let's add a tractor. Let's do that. Like, yeah, sometimes a train goes right through the middle of a town, and that's okay. So I'm going to plop this back in, and we're going to go ahead and do a meal plan. It should be pretty detailed because, like I said, I'm trying to increase my protein. So I've been creating these protein boxes for myself for the morning. And like I eat lunch pretty late, and then a lot of days I skip dinner. So that's the problem. So let's see, and I know I can't spell today, so it is what it is. I know what it means. It's going to be cottage cheese, which is not how you spell it, but it is what it is right now. Mini bell peppers, I sometimes stuff them with goat cheese. They're really, really tasty and amazing. If you ever tried, let me know. And then same thing, protein box. We're going to do cottage cheese, mini bell peppers. Again, I might stuff them with some cheese, like I said. So that's pretty decent. Again, protein backed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that motion for the couple days. So I work Monday through Thursday, and I do try to keep my breakfast pretty hefty, as far as like not the portion, but like what keeps you pretty full, because like I said, I usually eat my lunch. So my breakfast is before 6 a.m. and then my lunch is not until like 2 or 3 most days. So just depends. Leftovers. Salmon, yeah, that's gonna be good. Again, trying to keep on the healthier side. Steak with potatoes and broccoli. Yeah, very simple. Actually, broccolini. I have that in my fridge. Have you guys had broccolini? It is delicious, at least to me. It is like a tiny bit more flavorful, like on the spicier side, but yes, I love it. Okay, next is asparagus with, let's see, what should we add? Grilled chicken. I think that sounds good to me. If I do that, make that dinner. And like I said, I've been skipping dinners lately. I do plan them out, but I don't always make them and eat them. Soup with a salad. We're ordering out on Wednesday, so I just want to make sure I can have a healthier option. Okay, and we're gonna make pork tenderloin with barley. Okay, so that's through Wednesday, and now the rest of it. So protein box again on Thursday because I am working. So we're gonna do goat cheese. And maybe like for dipping, like for cucumbers and stuff. I love doing that. It's such a like nutritious thing to do, and it keeps you pretty full for a long time. And then we're gonna have leftovers again. So the pork tenderloin, I'll bring that for lunch. The portions are usually pretty small because I do not want to have like a food coma right after I eat at work. So like I keep it pretty light. Okay, for dinner on Thursday, let's go ahead and do something fun maybe. How about nachos? And again, spelled wrong. I don't care. Sometimes I don't know how to spell things. Okay, and then we're gonna do eggs and toast because I'm home just snacking, so I'll have like some walnuts and stuff throughout the day, and that should keep me pretty good. And then salmon over rice. I probably will like do it on like a cedar plank or something like that. It should be really, really good. Casserole. Again, snacks. So during the weekend, I barely eat lunch. I usually snack or like take something fast, and then that is it. On Saturday, I'm having sushi with my sister and my boyfriend, so that's gonna be a pretty like full night, and then stir fry. So very, very easy. Okay, so that is it. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you soon for another one.